Hi, this is Molly from Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot this quick little video, just going over a couple things that I found with your website, as well as what's happening on the background of your website, and also comparing it to someone else in your field so we can give you some tips and tricks on things that you can do that's really going to help boost your visibility, help you get in front of the people who are searching for your services. So, taking a look, it's a beautiful website. I love your color scheme that you've got going on. I think it really does speak to the female entrepreneurs that you are trying to get in contact with. A couple things that I noticed though. So here's the name of your website, but then when I scroll down, let me see if I can move this a little bit. So it says Open Doors Doorways International. So I'm not quite sure, I don't know if that's who you are or if this is who you are. And then when I also come up here and I click About Us, and I see this great flyer. I think it's wonderful, this awesome training that's happening November 14th, but it's a different website down here. So it just doesn't have that continuity for the client to feel confident in who it is that they're actually dealing with. So it's just little things like that. One thing that I would say about your homepage is content. Although you've got some great messaging in there, Google is an algorithm. They need lots and lots of content on your homepage. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And the reason for that is if you have that many words on your front page, then throughout there you can strategically place keywords. These keywords are what the Google bots are going to crawl on your site and find. That's how you tell them the searches that you want to show up for. That think about, what it is that your clients are searching for you for and what they're going to put into Google. And so those are the keywords that need to be all throughout your content. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. This website right here shows me the basic analytics of how you're performing online. So right now, you are not getting any organic hits to your website a month. Nobody's really clicking on your site. And that's because we don't have any data here and you're only showing up for 2 keywords. These numbers are very important. When these numbers are 30 or above, that's an indicator of the strength and the trust that Google has with your site. The higher these numbers are, the more likely you are to be recommended by Google when somebody is searching for your service. The way that you raise these numbers is through backlinks and referring domains, and I'll show you more on that later. But here's the keywords that I was talking about. When I click on here, let's take a look. So at the moment, the only phrase that you're going to show up for in a search is going to be right here. So let's see what it says. So the key word or the key phrase I would say that you're coming up for is communication is the key to success. If somebody searches that, you will show up in position number 47. Now, believe it or not, that is searched 250 times a month, but that's not what we would call a buyer intent keyword. That's more informational. So I decided just to search for another female entrepreneurship association. And so here's what I found. It's Female Entrepreneur Association. And I get that yours is focused more on public speaking. Because yours is such a niche market, it would take some time. We would really have to dive into the keywords that you are going after. So I just wanted to give you a general idea of how a similar site performs online and what gets them to rank on Google. So let's close this out. So this is their website, decent amount of content. But what's really important is how they are performing in the background. So let's take a look. So you can see right here those numbers we were talking about, the UR, the DR, that's their strength and trust with Google. It's extremely high. And that's because they have 16,000 backlinks coming from 191,000 referring domains. What this means, this is any time that another website, or we call it a referring domain, but another site has got your website listed and it's pointing direction back to you. That's called a backlink. So you want to find your competitors, find the ones that are specifically in the niche that you target, go into their referring domains and find where it is that they're getting their backlinks. Now, not all referring domains are created the same, so you want to go after quality and then quantity. You want to come in here, find what referring domains have authority, and get backlinks from there too. And try to not only match your competitors, but then outlist them by 100 referring domains. And here you'll see that they're ranking for 3,000 keywords, which is bringing them 3,000 clicks to their site a month. So let's take a look at what keywords they have. This is going to help you know. So obviously, Female Entrepreneur Association, that is branded. Female Entrepreneur is searched 250 times a month. They're getting 38 visits to their site because they're ranked number 3. Entrepreneur Association, searched 150 times. Female Entrepreneur Blog, searched 30 times a month. Let's switch. Let's go after some high volume ones just to see what keywords are being searched. So, how to run a business. That's a good one. Success is the best revenge. Let's see what else. How to run a successful business. Business Monday motivation. So it's really important to take a look and see what are the keywords you want to be found for. Now, they might not be these specifically, but it just gives you an idea of what are people searching. And if people are searching things that are relative to you, like this entrepreneur online course, search 600 times a month. Entrepreneur online courses, that is also searched 600 times a month. Famous female entrepreneur, that's more informational. But the same would apply if you wanted to do something like a female public speaking course, those kind of things. This is just a broad example to show you how keywords work and why they are so important and so vital to your website getting found on Google. Google really is a big popularity contest, and so you've got to go out and find these links and get yourself listed in as many as possible, and also tell Google, hey, this is what I do, these are the people that I want to help, and this is what I want to be found for. So I hope that this has been informational and beneficial. Again, it's just a really great way for you to utilize your website using keywords, backlinks, referring domains, and different tips and tricks and SEO strategies. We look forward to your feedback and hope you have a great day.